Hi guys, this is Hasib Trivedi. Today I'm making slime of Clinic Plus shampoo and some salt. First thing is a ball and spoon to mix with shampoo, salt. First ingredient we're gonna need is shampoo. Pour a little bit of shampoo in it. Shampoo, then a little bit, then mix it little well. Then add some salt. I'm not the first one who is trying the Clinic Plus shampoo. There's more. I have seen the video. They say fail. I'm trying this. We're trying this and see what we have to do with it. It's coming today. Haha. And it's little bit of watery. Little bit of more, mix it. I am pausing the I will pause video for taking it for freeze for 20 minutes. And my class I get a reward in the second. This is my cup of the second position, and I'm happy that you can see there's my second one over there. There. See, I wait a second. I see. There's my second one. I have come twice second. I'm second in two class. In fourth class I came second. In 3 I'm not the best position. In 2 I have come 12th position and I don't have the best result of that. And 4 now I'm happy for just coming twice second. First cup, second cup, happy twice. See? And sorry for this showing this to you because my slime is in the freezer. So so that I'm pausing my video again. I'm showing you I'm 20 minutes later. Woo! Woo! 20 minutes later, about now. After before, let's see. It's woo! Woo! Wow, this is amazing. Just little wet, but thank you for watching our video. Subscribe us and like the video. Bye.